PR, third one is AD by PM. But one more thing is given, that AD and PM are the medians, right? Are the medians. And I told you earlier also that medians means the line which bisects this side, the opposite side, in two equal parts. These are the midpoints. That's why these are medians, right? So this is given, and what we have to prove? We have to prove that we have to prove that this triangle ABC and PQR are similar, right? Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. This we have to prove. It looks like the question number 12. As question number 12 we have in the NCERT, but this is different question. Why it is different question? There the ratios were this one, this BC, QR and median. But here in this question number 14, the ratios are this one the first, this one is the second, this one is the third. Okay, in spite of these two lines, we have taken PAC and PR. Now, for doing this question, we have to construct here. What will be the construction? From D point, produce D up to, let's say, K, such that AD is equal to DK. Okay, this is the construction, and join CK. This is also the construction. So in the same way, here also produce PM up to, let's say, L such that PM is equal to ML and join RL. This is the construction. So I have to write it here. Construction is produce, first one is the DK up to produce AD up to K such that AD is equal to DK and join KC. Also in the same way, also produce PM up to L such that PM equal to ML and join LR. So this is all about the given, to prove and construction. The question is a little bit longer but not difficult. I'm saying it again. So after doing this, move to the proof. Now what we have to prove? We have to make these two triangles similar. This is the proof. And if you will observe here the ratios, two ratios, AB by PQ, AC by PR. These are already given. Isn't it? So we can apply again the SSS rule or SAS rule. So we have to find out the third one, the third thing here, so that we can apply the rule, the criterion, and we can easily make the triangles similar. So what we have to do here, first I have to make these two triangles congruent, not similar, congruent, and we can make them easily. See here, in triangle ADB and triangle KDC. AD equal to DK? Okay, tell me from where it comes. AD equal to DK. This is from by construction. Okay, next one is BD equal to DC. This is from, yes, D is the midpoint of BC. Right. First one, second one, two lines are equal and these two angles, 1 and 2. If I write it here, 2. So angle 1 is equal to angle 2, and I hope you know this. Why 1 and 2 are equal? Because of vertically opposite angles, right? Vertically opposite angles are always equal. That's why angle 1 equal to angle 2, and the reason is vertically opposite angles. So if three things are here which make our triangle congruent, so the two triangles are congruent now. Which two triangles are congruent now? Yes, tell me from here. The two triangles which are congruent are, this implies, from here we have triangle ADB is congruent to triangle KDC, and the rule will be SAS. Rule is SAS. Now, after making the two triangles congruent, we can make the rest of the things equal by CPCT. So here also I will just take here the things. This KC is equal to AB, right? KC is equal to AB. This is by CPCT. And this is kind of result. After making these two triangle congruent PLQ and LMR, we have the result from here PQ equals to LR. So we can write it similarly because the whole process is same. So PQ is equal to RL. This is number 2. Now after making these two sides equal, we'll take this ratio again. The ratio which is given is AB. Now I'm taking the ratio which is given, AB by PQ equal to AC by PR is equal to AD by PM, and this is from given. We have it from given, but I just want to make the little changes here. What are them? They are, in spite of PQ, I will write RL. I will change this one. In spite of AB, I will write KC, this one. Right? And one more thing I would like to do here. I will multiply 2 with the numerator and denominator here. Why I am doing this? Actually, I want to make these two triangles similar. Which one? ACK and PRL. And this can be done by this. How? Let's see. Now put from equation 1 and 2, put AB equals to KC and PQ equal to RL from equation 1 and 2 in equation 3. Let's say this is third equation. Okay, now after putting these values here, what I get? Okay, this will be equal to this. AB is now KC by PQ is now RL. AC by APR will be same, but twice of AD, can I write it as AK? And twice of PM is PL. Why I have written this? Because I know that twice of AD is AK and twice of PM is PL, as D and N are the midpoints of AK and PL. AK and PL. Okay. So now this ratio, if you will observe this ratio, you can find KC, this is KC by LR, AC by PR, AK by PL, first, second and third. And if these three ratios are equal in these two triangles, that means the triangles are similar, and similar by which rule? By SSS. So the triangles which are similar now, this implies triangle AKC is similar to triangle PLR, and this we have by SSS, and we get it from here. That's why I write here implies. Kyunki these three ratios are equal, this implies triangle AKC is similar to triangle PLR. Now, if these two triangles are similar, this one and this one, if these two triangles are similar, that means this angle 3 and angle 4, I can make them equal, because again, if the two triangles are similar, the rest of the ratios or rest of the angles are always equal. So I can take it like angle 3 equal to 4, because these are the corresponding angles of similar triangles. And let's say the number is now 4. Now we have fourth equation as angle 3 equal to angle 4. Now what we have to do next? Just in the same way, if I do the construction here, if I join BK, QL and I will repeat each and everything, I will get definitely a result, that is angle 5 is equal to angle 6. Just in the same way as we have proved for 3 and 4. So because if the things are same, we can write the word similarly. We can prove that, what we can prove? We can prove that angle 5 is equal to angle 6. Right? And let's say the equation is 5. So I reach here after the two equation, angle 3 equal to angle 4, angle 5 equal to angle 6. Now I just reached to the solution. If 3 equal to 4, 5 equal to 6, then the sum of these two angles must be equal, isn't it? So add equation 4 and 5. What I get? 3 plus 5 should be equal to 4 plus 6. And 3 plus 5 means, what is the angle 3 plus 5 here? This is angle A. If you want to write the whole name, that is angle BAC. Okay? Then in the same way, 6 plus 4 is angle P. And if you want to write the whole name, the full name, that will be QPR. So angle A equal to angle P. Now I got it at last. Okay? Now the question is very, very simple. Because we already have two ratios equal, I just told you in the starting that these two ratios are already equal. Now I have made these two angles equal. Now I can apply the rule here, SAS. Okay? And now the two triangles are similar. So in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, if AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR, this is from given, and angle A equal to angle B, this is proved above, means here. Now these two triangles are similar and similar Barrage rule. So this implies triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR by SAS. And this is all about the question, hence proved. So I hope, yes, I know that the question is a little bit longer, but if you will just see this properly, watch the video properly, and if it may possible that you can see it 2 times, then you will get the question. So I just recap the question for you. These three ratios were equal. We have made a construction, and after making construction and doing some steps, we reach up to the point that angle 3 equal to angle 4. Similarly, angle 5 equal to angle 6. The main purpose for making the two angles equal is so that these two angles come equal. And if these two angles are equal, we have already two ratios which were equal, and then we can apply the criterion SAS, and these two triangles I can make them similar by SAS. So you can do. I hope you understand it. So this is all about question number 14, 6.3. Thank you.